So we're talking about scar endometriosis. And before we go to scar endometriosis, we need to know what is endometriosis. Endometriosis, we all know, is ectopic endometrium. That is endometrium, which is located outside the uterus. So we all know the most common site is the ovary, where you have the endometriomas or chocolate cyst. Then you can have endometriotic spots on the fallopian tube. You can have endometriosis in the pouch of Douglas. You can have deep infiltrating rectovaginal endometriosis. You can even have endometriosis in rarer sites like in the intestine or in the even in the pleura, the liver. Those are very rare sort of endometriosis. Something which is more common than those rare ones is something called as scar endometriosis. Now, scar endometriosis basically means that this ectopic endometrium has now entered a surgical scar site. That's why it's also called as surgical site endometriosis is another name. Another name is incisional endometrioma. So if you encounter these terms, don't get confused. They all mean the same thing. Surgical scar endometriosis, incisional endometrioma all mean scar endometriosis. That means in a scar, a surgical scar, usually that is a scar of episiotomy or a caesarean. These are the two most common types. Other scars also, which we will come to see, you find that ectopic endometrium has entered there, endometrial glands have, and stroma has entered there, and it has picked up vascularity in that area and it starts growing. So this is what is scar endometriosis. It's a rare form of extra-pelvic endometriosis and occurs in those incisions where the endometrial tissue might come into contact. Now, amongst all of them, I told you the caesarean scar is the most common, followed by episiotomy scar. But remember, most of the time, if you do encounter this, I have seen around in my 16, 17 years of practice, I have seen about 10 cases of scar endometriosis. So approximately one, and nowadays I'm seeing it more frequently. We'll understand that also. Why is it more frequent now? But you'll see roughly 1 in 6 months, you'll come across a scar patient with scar endometriosis. So cesarean section scar is the most common site, and roughly the prevalence is it varies depending on different studies from point as low as 0.03% to 1%. Roughly, you can remember mid value would be 0.5%. This is again for the exam if you want to have a perfect answer. You can roughly remember a mid value.